Alright guys, a little bit of what's going on. Just something I'm doing today. Well, I started last night. Started on this box right here, 410s. It is not for 410 subwoofers. I'm sure you probably could find some shallow mount that will work, but it's more like mid-range 10s or whatnot. I'm working on the body work on it, filling in a little bit of some cracks and holes and stuff like that. Just a quick video. Y'all can see. Had to go and pick up a couple more tools from the store the other day so I can get back started. I don't know, I've been prolonged for a while. I want to get into tools and doing stuff like this, but anyway, man, as y'all can see right there, have started on the box or whatnot. I gotta run to the store and get some more sandpaper and what else I need? Sanding disc and all that type of stuff, and some Bondo and little things of that nature, just to help me finish up this project or whatnot. So y'all stay tuned. Just a quick video. I'm gonna say nothing fancy or whatnot, but we're gonna see how it turns out. I think it's looking pretty good so far. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. But we're gonna get this thing sanded down and show y'all finished product. Be sure to like, subscribe. I'm gonna come back with the finished product in a little while, hopefully. So I'll see y'all back.